everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just using this as an eyeshadow primer, and I like using this because it's super full coverage. It cancels out any discoloration, and I always go ahead and set that in place with translucent powder because I feel like when I don't, my concealer, the eyeshadows just don't blend the same, so I just like to set everything in place. And then today's palette, I'm using the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. This is one of my favorite blue eyeshadow palettes, so I highly recommend it. It's super pigmented. The first shade that I went in with is Starry Eyed, and I just picked that up with a fluffy brush, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And then I went into this deeper blue shade called Fine China, and I grabbed a defined angled brush, and I really love this royal blue matte eyeshadow. I feel like it's so beautiful, and I used a defined angled brush because I want very specific placement. And yeah, I just put it a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket versus my crease. And then I went back into the shade Starry Eyed just to blend that line out and to make sure that everything is nice and blended and that there are no harsh lines. And you guys know that I like to go in with a darker shade and then go in with a lighter shade, and then I do that over and over pretty much to get the depth that I want and the blendedness that I want. So here I went back into that palette, and I went in with the deepest blue eyeshadow in that palette, and I put that directly over that previous line that we just created. So that's also another thing that I like about using such a defined angled brush, is that you really lay out the map for where you want to go in and add even more depth. And then I went back into that first transition shade just to blend everything out, going in circular motions and back and forth motions. And then I went into those two blue eyeshadows that we went into earlier, and I packed that all over my outer lid area because I want there to be a really nice gradient from light to dark on my lid. And then I went in with my Too Faced concealer once again, and I just cleaned up the inner part of my eyelid. And this step is definitely optional. I just really like how it looks when your lid is separate from your crease. I just feel like when you apply the eyeshadow over top, it just looks so clean. And I always set that concealer with translucent powder. And then I went into the shade Tide Pool, which is this really beautiful foiled metallic blue eyeshadow, and I just pretty much put that where that deeper blue shade is on the outer lid and in between that matte white on the inner lid. And then I went in with a blue glitter that I had. You can use any glitter that you have at home, but yeah, this one didn't have a name on it, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I just feel like it really added a really nice sparkle on the center of the lid. And then for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes. For those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, and I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. But I just really want to give a quick shout out to those of you guys that have made a purchase on our website. We appreciate you guys so much, and we are so grateful. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I took those same blue shades and I just put that on the lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer corner just to really open up the inner part of the eye. And then I finished off the look with some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did and you liked it, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. We appreciate you guys so much, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.